नमस्कार दर्शकों, आप देख रहे हैं एसके लाइव। आपका समय, आपकी खबर। रुचिका सोमानी और कैमरामैन सनी के साथ। कोरोना वायरस से पूरा देश जूझ रहा है। देश ही नहीं, विदेशों में भी कोरोना संकट का आतंक फैला हुआ है। लेकिन गवर्नमेंट, यहाँ सिक्किम सरकार में गवर्नमेंट का इतना अच्छा सुशासन है कि यहाँ पे कोरोना मरीज़ की एक भी पुष्टि नहीं हुई है, जिसमें कि गवर्नमेंट के सभी लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रही है, गवर्नमेंट की सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स। लेकिन स्पेशली ट्रांसपोर्ट का यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा हाथ है, क्योंकि सिक्किम में जो भी सामान आता है वो सब सिलीगुड़ी पर डिपेंड रहता है। तो जितना भी सामान आ रहा है, लोगों में कोई हाहाकार नहीं है, सब सामान आराम से सभी सिक्किम वासियों को पहुँच रहा है, बल्कि देश के सिक्किम के हर जगह, हर कोने में पहुँच रहा है। इसमें ट्रांसपोर्ट का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। तो आइए, आज हमारे साथ हैं ट्रांसपोर्ट मिनिस्टर संजीत खरेल। स्वागत है आपका।
थैंक यू।
तो जैसा कि यहाँ पर कोरोना का एक भी मरीज़ नहीं मिला है, सामान की कोई तकलीफ नहीं हो रही है किसी को भी, तो ये सब कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हैं?
First of all, I would like to thank the Honorable CM of Sikkim, the dynamic leader of Sikkim, and also he's from the young generation. And when the coronavirus started in Wang, our Chief Minister was very alert, and he took such a drastic step to seal all the borders, and out of the 4, only 2 were left free. That too by screening and all. The checkpost was well guided by our front warriors, and he also banned the domestic tourist plus international tourist, and we were surprised. He was aware of the fact that one day something will happen here. So he was very generous and also very active in that process. So I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister, our dynamic leader, and also the people of Sikkim. After the order of the government, the government ordered them for the lockdown. They obeyed nicely. No one argued regarding this thing. So we'd like to thank the people of Sikkim also. And also now, I think Sikkim is free from all this COVID-19, and no any cases has been registered till date. So we are lucky by the grace of God, and also from the guidance of Honorable Chief Minister and all our fellow members and all the department heads and frontline warriors who made their life risks, but still they carried on with such a wonderful with full heart. They came out in open and they have done a wonderful job.
तो सर, जैसा कि ट्रक्स वगैरह जो आते हैं, सिलीगुड़ी से आते हैं, क्योंकि बंगाल में कोरोना वायरस के अभी 3 मरीज़ मिल चुके हैं, तो उनकी क्या सेफ्टी रहती है? उनको रंफू में किस हिसाब से उनको मैनेज किया जाता है?
I think the moving of trucks from Siliguri to Gangtok and from Gangtok to Siliguri has been well managed by the transport department and also the frontline warriors. And I also like to thank the UDSD department also, because they are also doing a wonderful job, and of course our health workers, police, everyone they are following strict. They are following this regarding this COVID-19. Everyone is alert and they are very strict regarding this matter. So we faced many problems, but like due to government dialects between the 2 states, West Bengal and also Sikkim, everything is going on smoothly. And you know that you have already heard that Sikkim is the first state, I think, to make a sanitizer wave in Rambhu, and also in Malli, and that was done by Biswang Subba, a young man who has dynamic ideas, and it's really wonderful. Whenever the vehicle comes, like there used to people firstly there used to be people going with around carrying this sanitizer, this thing and all. Now everything within 20 seconds of a vehicle can be sanitized. So Sikkim is quite advanced in that fact. And also we'd like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim, because whatever ideas being made by the public, he is ready to accept that and is ready to go with the things. So it's a wonderful thing, and also we are very happy to have a leader like him.
तो सर, जैसे कि इनका रोटेशन रहता है, जो सिक्किम से ड्राइवर्स आते हैं सिलीगुड़ी से, उनका रोटेशन रहता है, या रंफू से हमारे सिक्किम के ड्राइवर्स सब जगह पे कोने कोने में, मतलब इतना सामान दे रहे हैं, तो बहुत तकलीफ से दे रहे हैं, बहुत मुश्किल से दे रहे हैं, फिर भी आप लोग बहुत मैनेज कर करके उनको पहुंचा रहे हैं सामान?
Like we have made a transit camp also for the drivers, who have come from Siliguri and all, they were with PP dress, and they stay in the vehicle only. So we don't allow them to roam around in towns and all. So the vehicle, as soon as it's unloaded, then the vehicle goes back to the respective places. So everything is being well managed. Until now, nothing has come here. And I hope nothing will come also, because Sikkim is also the land full of holiness here. So I think by the grace of God, and the people, the loving people here, they are here. I think nothing will come here. I hope for the best in the future. And we are trying our level best. And I think Sikkim is the first state also who gave what you call relief materials to the public people. We did not let anyone not receive that things also. We took hold of the stock, and everything was well managed during the time of this COVID-19. So I think now Sikkim is recognized by the whole world. So it's a very good factor for Sikkim, and also is a wonderful moment for us also. Like now, even the people from foreign countries, they are talking about Sikkim. So all credit goes to our dynamic leader, Sri P.S. Gole, sir, for his day night service. Really is working very hard. If you really see him, from morning 5 o'clock he meets people till late at night he works. So we have got a wonderful leader. I hope under his leadership this government will go for many years, and I think Sikkim will be developed in a wonderful state. And also today is a historical day for Sikkim, because COVID-19 testing lab has been inaugurated by our Honorable CM. This is also a great factor, because when we came to the government, nothing was there. Only the hospital size was there. Inside nothing was there. What you call empty. So now if you look into these things, I think SKM government has done a wonderful job, and I think this government will go for a very long time, I think.
तो सर और मैसेज क्या देना चाहेंगे लोगों को कि वो लोग कैसे अवेयर हों और चीज़ें वगैरह जो उनके पास सामान आता है उनको कैसे यूज़ करें?
Most of the vegetables, they come from Siliguri also. So I would like to tell the people to wash these things. Wash it and at least leave for one day in the water somewhere like that. So that it will be well, I think, clean, so they can take it. And also I would like to tell the people to wear masks and maintain self-distance. Now Sikkim, I think, you've got a lot of relaxation, more than other states. You have been seeing this also. So mostly it's open now, except for a few things, schools and all. So people should also obey the laws and also the direction by the central government and the state government, because whatever India has done, I think the recovery rate is wonderful. So I think the people of Sikkim will now really have to look out. And the government has done its best. Now is the time of the people, for the public of the Sikkim, to maintain that, not to go in crowds, not to move around at night and all. So I think the people should be aware of that. I would like to request the people of Sikkim to be to maintain the lockdown of 1, 2 and 3. That was very strict, and I hope now is the relaxation has been given to the people. So I think they will follow it. Until now, by the grace of God, and the holy place of Sikkim, everything is fine under the dynamic leadership of Sri P.S. Gole.
100% आयुर्वेदिक दमादमन किट प्राप्त करें और अपने फेफड़ों को बिना किसी दुष्प्रभाव के घातक वायरस से लड़ने की शक्ति बढ़ाएं। फेफड़ों की ताकत बढ़ाने और साथ ही साथ एलर्जी, खांसी या फिर ब्रोंकाइटिस और अस्थमा जैसी बीमारियों से भी लड़ने के लिए राहत देती है दमादमन किट। इस किट में आप पाएंगे दमादमन सिरप, दमादमन चूर्ण, दमादमन हर्बराज हर्बल टी, जिसका मूल्य है 750 और आपको देने हैं सिर्फ 700 रुपए। कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर 8597738095।